Inside the box, BOYA keeps the package practical and focused, giving you exactly what you need to start recording and transferring files immediately. Alongside the Notra device itself, you receive a magnetic accessory designed for secure phone attachment, a short USB-C connection cable for charging and wired use, and a USB adapter that ensures compatibility with different setups right out of the box. It is a simple but thoughtful selection, reinforcing the idea that Notra is built for real-world movement between meetings, calls, and daily work environments. This is not just a voice recorder. It is a modern productivity engine built for the way professionals actually work today. The ability to seamlessly record ambience, phone calls, and Bluetooth conversations solves one of the biggest workflow gaps in the AI note-taking space. Add transcription in more than 140 languages, structured summaries with 60 templates, searchable AI retrieval across recordings, strong noise cancellation, massive storage, and all-day battery life, and Notra becomes one of the most complete AI voice tools currently available. The BOYA Notra feels like a device designed not for casual users, but for serious professionals who are tired of meeting amnesia and want a true second brain that keeps up with their life. For anyone looking to upgrade from scattered notes and forgotten details into a smarter, searchable, AI-powered workflow, BOYA Notra is one of the most compelling devices to arrive in this new era of productivity. When you first hold the BOYA Notra, the design immediately communicates purpose. It is compact, clean, and built around functionality rather than decoration. The device features a microphone array, a recording mode slider, an indicator light, a dedicated record button, and a USB-C port for charging and connectivity. Everything about the first impression feels modern, minimal, and professional, like a tool meant to quietly live in your workflow rather than demand attention. The defining feature of BOYA Notra is its triple-mode recording system, and this is where it truly separates itself from ordinary recorders. In ambient mode, it becomes a powerful room capture device for meetings, lectures, or interviews, with dual MEMS microphones and AI noise cancellation for clean, focused audio. Phone call recording adds another layer of uniqueness, as Notra snaps to the back of your phone and uses bone conduction technology to capture conversations naturally without unreliable software tricks. Bluetooth mode completes the experience by recording private earbud calls and virtual meetings, making it an ideal tool for Zoom sessions, online classes, and modern remote workflows where traditional recorders simply fall short. Battery performance is one of the most reassuring strengths of the BOYA Notra. With up to 24 hours of continuous recording, it easily covers an entire workday of meetings, interviews, calls, and travel without interruption, while its ultra-long standby capability means it can stay ready even if you haven't used it for weeks. Charging is handled through a universal USB Type-C port, making top-ups effortless with the same cables and power banks you already carry for your phone or laptop. In daily use, this combination of long endurance, modern USB-C convenience, and dependable all-day power removes the constant anxiety of running out of battery when an important conversation suddenly happens. BOYA Notra experience with the Android app feels like a modern step beyond a traditional voice recorder, combining ambience capture, phone and Bluetooth call workflows, and smart device control into one clean ecosystem. The app interface is simple and practical, showing battery status, storage, firmware details, and useful options like idle auto-off timing, noise reduction, mic gain adjustment, and high-quality recording. Bluetooth mode and wireless earbud connectivity are clearly guided, making the Notra feel designed for real daily communication rather than isolated recording. With features like Wi-Fi syncing, USB access modes, and long-term device management, BOYA positions Notra as a connected productivity tool that quietly fits into interviews, meetings, and everyday voice documentation with minimal friction.